There's only a few universities around the world that offer infrastructure asset management. The University of Auckland was the first university to create this new program, and it's really to train up the future asset managers from various different backgrounds. It could be accounting, medical professions, the lawyers, and then engineers to take on the responsibility of asset management within our communities. There are a lot of asset managers from a non-engineering background in the sector, and they are doing very good work from their respective background, whether that's legal, managerial, or even accounting. Those people may need a qualification to advance their career and perhaps learn a little bit more of some of the technical, managerial and social courses. And this is exactly why this program has been created, to cater for those non-engineering people. The Masters of Infrastructure Asset Management is going to accelerate your career. We've got two typical asset manager groupings in the sector. First, people that specialize more in the analytical areas and databases and working with information. And then we've got the asset managers that sits more in a managerial planning type role. For both those roles, this course is going to sharpen your tools to be the best asset manager that you can be, and through that accelerate your career opportunities. The opportunities include positions at city councils, at our national ministries that focus on asset management, such as Waka Kotahi on the state highways, and consultants and contractors. They all need asset managers for the obvious reason of managing their networks and their infrastructure. The opportunities are endless, and it's not only the traditional big asset management providers that we are thinking of. There's also the other sectors such as the telecom area, the energy area, the health sector. All of them got infrastructure that has to be managed and skilled people to do so, and we provide for them. For example, the International Infrastructure Asset Management Manual was developed between New Zealand and Australia. So we often get international students that would come to New Zealand specifically hoping to get qualifications in infrastructure asset management. We do cater for that international flavor in our courses, but it is also a very domestically focused course. For example, we've got very specific elective papers that students can take, something like decision making in Aotearoa, that brings in the Maori decision making process within investment into infrastructure. The Master of Infrastructure Asset Management was created to help with addressing the major challenges that we've got in our societies across the world in maintaining the infrastructure that we have, planning the new infrastructure that we want to build, and making sure that our communities are more resilient to the impacts of climate change, and also that we are using less carbon in the way that we do our infrastructure planning. Now, for that we need skilled people, and that skilled people may come from engineering, or they may come from business background or a law background or a science background. And this program was created to give somebody a qualification to go and fill that roles that is so highly sought after in the sector. And we've got a tremendous need for more asset managers in local government, central government, consultants and contractors.